Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to know what is n8n. N8n is an AI workflow automation tool that is used to create a AI agent. So in this video we have created a AI agent which can generate a post related to LinkedIn depending upon our research work. So I have already built this. So it looks like this. So first we have created a trigger are of three types: manual, schedule, and level triggering. And after that we have make our use of Google tasks, which includes our research content from ChatGPT. We have copied the details from ChatGPT. So these are the details I have copied in Google Tools. Then I have passed the information and click on the plus button and open this AI. After that, I have clicked on Open AI. Open AI. Open AI. This is a model. So after that, I have clicked on message message and model. So after this part, I have connected with its OpenAI API. After that, I have selected the GPT-4 Mini. According to your choice, you can select your, and I have after that, mm, sorry, after that I have used a AI agent. What is AI agent? AI agent is a digital human which acts its own. It has its own brain. Depending upon the information passed by these two, it decides. So first, it needs a place to where data are stored. So it uses Google Sheet. Uh, the the branch of tool, I have clicked on the plus button and went to the Google Sheet tools, as it is the tool plus button. So I have used Google Sheet tool. So I have opened a Google Sheet tool. I have used it previously, so it uh, has information. I have given one information is topic, one information reference, and one information post. So it stores information like this. And if you want to know whether the information are correct or not, we can so we can paste the copied version of this spreadsheet in ChatGPT and write command that can you make this easy to read. And here it decides depending upon the input, it gives the LinkedIn post. So after that we have given it a model, OpenAI chat model. So we have connected it like this from API and chat GPT mini, and it also includes settings. We can add some notes. We don't have to manipulate or edit in this part. After that, after the workflow is done, then we can come to generate topics. Then we can come to expression. Then we can come to expression. Then then here we write, "Hi, can you generate three LinkedIn posts? It is based on this research. The research is basically dragged from this side, the JSON side. Then I have written that make sure you give the reference of what exactly you need to write the post out. So basically, our output is based on three. The first part is topic research, second is topic research, third is topic research. So this is our prompt. Then we have execute the steps. So the steps is executing, and it has given us the information. If you aren't able to know what it is written, then you can click on the copy section and you can go to ChatGPT and paste on it and try the same comment. Can you make it readable? And it gives information what is on there based on topic research. Topic 2 research. Topic 3 research based on our prompts. So after that, coming out of that, you can go into OpenAI chat model. So here here we have already discussed the path. Then after this whole part is done, we can execute workflow. You can see in it is triggered. Information is passed from the Google tools. Then it is generating ideas. Then it passed the information to AI agent, and AI agent is using OpenAI chat model to think, and depending upon our command, and it is updating the idea in append row in chat. So it is done. So it is communicating between chat models and AI agent. So it is done and it is written. Workflow executed successfully. So looking at you can see that new line is added on row 4. So we can copy this part and copy this in here. So you can write, can you make it readable? So this is how you create uh, topic post based on our output. This is only created by AI agent. So basically this project is uh, how a AI agent can generate a LinkedIn post based on our information given on Google Tools. So you can sign up or log in Google Tools, and how we can connect it is that we can click on this, and here we can click on Google Tax Tools, create a new credential and connect our Google account. Same goes for OpenAI model. Same goes for spreadsheet. It is completely free, and n8n is completely free for 14 days, and you can create many more accounts, so you can gain deeper knowledge about n8n tool. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment.